Bernie has a coin which he thinks might be biased to come down heads more than 50% of the time. He tosses the coin 15 times and gets 11 heads. Is this significant at the 5% level and at the 1% level? Well, let's just look at a few other things first. Our null hypothesis would be the situation of no change. So for a coin, P is going to be 0.5. He thinks it's going to come down more often than that, so we're testing that against P is greater than 0.5. So we want a one-tailed test at the top end here. Now I've already worked out some figures, so if we look at 12, if we do 1 take away 0.9963, that's 0.0037, and doing the usual thing of multiplying by 100 here, that is 0.37%. If we do 1 take away 0.9824, that's 0.0176, which is 1.76%. And 1 take away 0.9408 is 0.0592, which is 5.92%. So if we look at the 5% level, this one is too big, so our critical region would be here. And remember, the actual significance of the test is 1.76%. But this is the best that we can get for the 5% level because we never go over. So according to this one, yes, it's significant. And at that level of significance, we would have grounds to reject the null hypothesis. But if we go for the 1% level, this one is too big, and the critical region would actually start at 12. So that would be no. 11 would be in the acceptance region.